I was going too
How
fast.
am I going too fast and you're almost hitting me if I'm going too fast?
Bro, because you in front of me.
Yeah, I'm going faster than you.
No, you cut in front of me and then went hella slow, bro. I will up, homeboy. Take your helmet off, homie.
This rider didn't realize how close he came to being hit after cutting off a truck. The driver's rage was fueled by a near miss that could have ended everything. The rider was confused, but the driver had every right to be mad. This moment serves as a powerful reminder to always ride safe and pay attention to the vehicles around you.
Huh? How?
Because you went way too slow, bro.
Yo, what's this guy talking about?
You were going too fast, bro.
How did you?
I was going too
How
fast.
am I going too fast and you're almost hitting me if I'm going too
Bro,
fast?
because you cut in front of me.
Yeah, I'm going faster than you.
No,
How
you cut in front of me and then went hella slow, bro. I will up, homeboy. Take your helmet off, homie.
I'm not gonna fight you, bro. My bad.
Yeah. I almost hit you, homie.
Did you?
Yes, I swear to God, I was on your ass like this, bro. Like, look, I'm shaking, homie.
That's my bad, bro. I don't have mirrors.
I'm not trying to be
bro.
All right, dude, I'm sorry, bro.
It's all good.
All right,
Dude.
it scared the out of me, bro.
I know.
All right, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
It's all good, dude. You take care.
After a reckless truck driver caused a hit and run that knocked a biker out, a red Corvette stepped up to save the day. The driver chased him down and ensured he didn't get away with it.
Are you kidding me? Yo! What the Yeah. If you want, yeah, please.
Yeah. I was gonna say I probably caught that on the dash cam.
The You just made me crash.
How did I make you crash?
I got a camera. Park right here till the cops come. You asshole. Where are you going? Dude, go get him, please. What the You saw it? He said, how did I make you hit me?
This driver made a reckless lane change that nearly ended in disaster for the biker. Little did they know, the police were right there watching.
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Yeah!
This biker just witnessed something insane. A car blew through a red light and flew through cross traffic like it was nothing.
What the hell? 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 What the hell?
There are no words to describe this reckless act. This biker found himself on the ground after speeding and trying to overtake a truck, but he was going so fast that he completely lost control. What was supposed to be a boring camera check turned into the funniest clip of the day. It's proof that you should always keep the camera rolling.
Oh, vous me collez comme ça.
Y'a quoi?
Je sais pas, je vous double, vous accélérez.
Mais je t'ai même pas vu.
Bah, je savais
On était
pas.
en train de discuter, t'étais en ligne droite, on est motards tous les deux.
Attention,
on sait
attention,
ce
attention,
que
attention, madame. Attention. Hop, putain de merde. Oh, la voiture.
Mais ça va pas, Will. On était...
Out of nowhere, a newbie rider pulled out from an intersection without checking for oncoming traffic, causing a collision. While it's easy to say the rider could have used his emergency brakes to avoid it, in a split second like that, focus can slip. A corrupt officer tried to mislead this rider, claiming his license didn't match his bike just to get some lunch money, but this biker knew the law and didn't back down. This is why it's so important to know your vehicle classifications.
Hey, right there! Are you blind? Don't... Hey,
Listen to me.
look on the back there.
Luister wat ek vir jou sê. Moet ek my license vir jou wys? Moet ek myne vir jou?
Ja, please.
Sien jy daarso?
A?
Motorbike A1. Sien jy daar? En dan sien jy daar B.
B is a
Nou,
car.
waarvoor is dit K? Waarvoor is dit B?
Ja.
Op my kom speel, nie. Sien jy daar?
Hey, right
B.
there. Code. Look there, right here. There's an A right there. Are you
Hallo.
blind?
Jy moet
Don't
my
f***ing-
ek moer vir jou.
Don't
Jou
f***ing touch
baie hard.
me.
Weet jy vir my?
Don't touch
Jou
me.
poesegaar.
Don't touch me. Look here. All on camera. Yeah, I don't know who the f*** you are anyway. Look here. You, I don't know who you are.
Hy's 'n fucking
You have illegal lights and you're not even a police officer, man. Fuck. Who the f*** are you? You're not even a police officer. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Fuck knife.
You ready? Yeah. So you twist the key. Black button.
While learning to ride, this biker's wife had a small crash. Instead of checking herself for injuries, she started crying over the damage to his motorcycle. That is true loyalty right there. Her husband immediately stepped in to comfort her, reminding her that she is worth way more than just a silly bike.
I'm tired. Oh. Oh shit. You okay? Are you okay? It's okay. Are you okay? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Baby. It's okay. Stop crying. No. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Just relax. 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 I just want to make sure you're okay. Are you okay? Do you hurt at all? That was a freaking cool move, dude. Can you stand up? Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. As long as you're okay, it's fine. Baby, it's okay.
This biker leaned in a bit too far, causing the tires to lose grip with the road surface. It's a split-second mistake that shows why finding the right balance is everything when cornering.
Ay, gonorrea. Oh, yeah.
This biker didn't lose his cool. He has some of the craziest self-control I've ever seen.
Got it? Get the out of my parking lot! Got it! Like a bike tow! Boss, get the out of here!
A biker was intentionally rear-ended by another driver who claimed it was because he broke the law.
That's crazy! That's crazy, what's up? Get out, what's your problem, bro? What's your problem, dude?
Your problem is you breaking the law.
They catch you with this thing here.
Huh?
How they catch you with this one? This one ran more than that one.
He'll never catch me.